So in today's session, we will look at some of the questions, quantitative aptitude questions, which are very similar to the CMAT pattern for the last couple of years. So probably if you understand these questions, if you understand how to do these questions, probably this will help you in cracking your examination as well. Okay. So first of all, welcome to Gradeup. We already have a discount. Okay, if you are preparing for CAT 2021, we have different programs for you. Okay, for any concern, any queries about how to join Gradeup, how you can avail the maximum out of the Gradeup faculties and Gradeup platform, just call us at 9650-052-904. Do it ASAP. There is already some discounts which are going on. There is a double validity which you can avail right now. Okay, if you like the session, please go ahead and like the session. Comment in case you have got any doubt, any issues, anything when you need our help. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the Gradeup channel for all the YouTube viewers. So we will just have a look at some of the questions, some of the typical questions very similar to your CMAT pattern. Okay, so first question is, there is a polygon. The sides of the polygon are given to you. Some sides of the polygon which are given to you. So there is one side is 12, one side is 8, one side is 2. The complete image is given to you. You have to find the perimeter of this polygon. Yes guys, try this question. Good afternoon guys. Try this question guys. What's the answer of this question? Yeah guys, how to solve it? It's very easy. You have to find the perimeter of this polygon. Yeah, what's the answer? Any idea? Okay, you just need to draw a line. Okay, you just need to extend this line here, draw a line parallel here, draw a line like this, draw a line like this. Does it give you the answer now? No, Shreyansh, it's not 32. Yes, Aniket, it is 44. It is 44. Aniket is right. So basically, if you just extend this line and just draw a line parallel, okay, just extend this line on both the sides. Now, if you look at it, can I say this length is same as this length? This length is same as this length is same as this part is same as this part is same as this, and this part will be same as this. So basically, I have to find the perimeter of this complete rectangle. When this side is 12 and hence this side is 12, if this length is 2, this length becomes 2 and this complete side becomes 10. So it is basically 12 plus 10 plus 12 plus 10, which gives me 44. That's option number A. So basically it was just a rectangle and some lines of the rectangles were pushed down or pushed right or left. Yes, Shreyansh? Is it clear? So we just moved sides slightly up and down, right and left. Otherwise it was just a rectangle. Calculating the area. Okay, now the thing which was given to us, all these were the right angles. Had this statement not given to us, we might not have been able to solve it. But since all these angles are right angle, okay, this is right angle, this is right angle, this is right angle, this is right angle, this is right angle. It's simple, yeah. It's simply rectangle of 10 by 20, sorry, 10 by 12. Yes, guys. Okay, move to the next one. If a at the rate of some sign, okay, a some sign means b equal to ab upon a plus b. What is 6 sine 2? Okay, what's the answer? I think majority of you have already seen it. Hi Vanshika. So Vanshika, will you try this question? Okay, answer is 15. So basically it is 6 into 2 plus 6 upon 2, which makes it 12 plus 3, which is 15. Pretty simple. Answer is B. Okay, try this one. In the figure, there is a right angle triangle which is given to you, P. Now, one of the side is given to you, PQ is given as 8, and area of this triangle is given as 24 centimeter square. We have to find the perimeter of the triangle. No, Vanshika, answer was 13. So, answer was 15. So, basically it was 6 into 2 plus 6 upon 2. Remember, BODMAS. So we have to multiply and divide first, and then we need to add. So answer was 15, not 39. Okay. Perimeter of this triangle. Yes, guys. So there is a triangle which is given to you. One of the angles is given. One of the side is given. Yeah, Vanshika, you can ask us. Okay, what I will suggest, Vanshika, you can just forward that question to us. Okay, you can send us in a query. You can even mail me your queries, and I will respond to you. Good evening, Abhinav. Okay, so answer is 24. Yes, that's the right answer. That's the right answer. So basically, what was the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Now what is my base? My base is PQ. So half into 8 into PM equal to 24, which means PM equal to 6. If PM equal to 6, then okay, this is 6. Now if this is 6, this is 8, the third side has to be 10 from Pythagoras triplet, and hence the perimeter is 6 plus 8 plus 10, which is 24. That's my answer. Yeah? Yes, guys, pretty simple. Vanshika, for English questions, you can always mail. Okay, you can always send your queries to our Gradeup channel. You can even send your queries on your Telegram portal, and then you can get all the answers there. So we have a Telegram portal where you can contact with our faculties directly, and you can even send these queries to our channel. I'm not the right person to answer a English query. I'm not very confident about my English. Yes, guys, is it clear? 24? Okay. No, it was 24, Vanshika. So basically, we have got 24 is the area, which is half into base into height. So I know my base. From base, I calculated height. PM is 6. So if one side is 6, one side is 8, third side comes out to be 10. Now we have three sides, 6, 8 and 10. What is perimeter? Sum of these three sides. If I add 6, 8 and 10, I get 24, not 18. 6 plus 8 plus 10 is 24. Okay. Next one is, in an orchard with M orange trees, each tree produces P oranges. So there is an orchard which has certain orange trees. Total count of orange trees is M, and each tree will produce P oranges. Now, some of the oranges were lost due to a hailstorm. So there was some hailstorm because of which some oranges were lost. And we were left with 3/4 of PM. So what was the percentage of oranges which were lost? Yes, Vanshika, I take only Quant. Yes, guys, what's the answer? Tahir feels it is C. Ganesh, what's the answer? Ganesh feels is 25%, which is option C. We have got one more answer, option C. Vanshika, answer is option C, 25. So basically, if there are M orange trees, each tree produces P oranges. How many oranges would be there? Total number of oranges would be M into P. That's a total number of oranges. Total number of oranges is M into P. Now, out of those M upon M into P oranges, some are lost, and we are left with 3/4 of MP, which means how much is lost? If I'm left with 3/4, it means 1/4 is lost. MP minus 1/4 MP is 3/4 MP, isn't it? MP minus 1/4 of MP gives me 3/4 of MP, which means how much is lost? 1/4. What is 1/4? 1/4 is nothing but 25%. In fact, looking at 3/4, I should have realized, boss, 3/4 is 75%. If I am left with 75% of the total oranges, how much is lost? 25% is lost. Yeah, Vanshika? Nagaraj? So, okay, answer is option number C, not A. Okay, so in case you like the session, just like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Gradeup. Okay. Vanshika, you can send it across at our Telegram portal, and you can also send it across to our Gradeup channel. Not at this point in time. Okay, in this session we will not take up the any queries at this point in time. Okay, one day I noticed that my newspaper had 24 pages. Page number 6 and 20 were on the same double sheet. Which other pages were also on the same sheet? Yeah, guys. Aniket, Simran, Ter, Nagraj, Vikas. What's the answer for this question? Yes, guys, what's the answer? Simran feels answer is C. Tahir also feels answer is C, which is 5 and 19. What about others? Shan's feel answer is A, 7 and 19. Vanshika feels it's 5 and 19. Nagraj feels it is 7 and 21. So A or C? Majority of the people are confused between A and C. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Ganesh feels it is B. Okay, so B option आ रहा है. तो answer is either A or B or C. Now let's see the answer. Answer is C, which is 5 and 19. Now how to do it? Now just think of it. What's the first page? 1, 2. On the other side, it will be 23, 24. So if you look at the newspaper, the first 2 pages and the last 2 pages will be on the same sheet. The first 2 pages and the last 2 pages will be on the same sheet, isn't it? So 1, 2 and 23, 24 will be on the same sheet, isn't it? Similarly, next would be 3, 4. On the other side, it will be 21, 22. So 3, 4 and 21, 22 will be on the same sheet. Next would be 5, 6 and 19, 20 will be on the same sheet. And next would be 7, 8 and 17, 18, which will be on the same sheet. Yes? Which means, okay, now with 7, which all pages should be there? 18, 19, no. 17, 18 with 7. No, it is not the answer. With 5, what are the page numbers? 5 and 20. No, 21 is not there. With 5, we have a 19. Yes, 5 and 19 is the right answer. 7 and 21? No, 7 and 21 are on the different pages. Yes, guys? So basically, you just, okay, it's not that difficult. You just need to look at which all pages are there. And the minute it, okay, I realize 5, 6 and 20, 19, 20 are on the same page. Okay, it was the right approach which was there. Yes? Okay, so I will just repeat it once again for benefit of some students. So, Nagra, just think of it. When you get the newspaper in the morning, just think of that newspaper. Page number 1 and 2 are on the opposite side of the same sheet. Yes? Page number 1 and 2 are on the same page. On the same sheet, towards the end, you will have last two pages as well. Yeah, Nagaraj? So, if there are 24 pages, basically 1, 2 and 23, 24 are on the same sheet, isn't it? Now, on the second page, okay, that's the first page on the newspaper. Now, what happened in the second page? Your second page would be after 1, 2, you will have 3 and 4. On the opposite side, after 23, 24, you will have 21, 22. So, basically, 1, 2 and 23, 24. These 4 pages will be on the same sheet. 3, 4, 21, 22 will be on the same sheet. And then 5, 6, 19 and 20 will be on the same sheet. 7, 8, 17, 18 will be on the same sheet. Now I know which all page numbers are going on the same sheet. Now just have a look at the options. 5 and 19 are on the same sheet. Guys, is it clear with everyone? Shreyans, Aniket, Amazon, Nagaraj. Which all page numbers are going on the same sheet. Okay, moving to the next one. There are two gears, one with 15 teeth, another one with 20 teeth. They are fitted together as shown in the figure. Each has a marked tooth. Each has a marked tooth as identical. Each has a marked tooth as indicated. After how many rotations the gear with 15 teeth will the marked tooth be together again for the first time? Okay, so there are two gears which are working with each other. There are two gears which are fixed as shown in the figure. So this is one. Okay, and now how will my gear work? Okay, with each and every teeth, the next teeth will fix in. Yes. With each and every teeth, the next teeth will fix in. So after this will come here, this will come here, this will come here, and will move like this only. So after how many rotations of the smaller, which is 15th teeth gear, after how many rotations these two teeth will be together once again? That's the question. Tahir believes answer is D4. Okay. What about others? Tahir believes answer is D4. Anyone else? Ganesh believes 4. Sakshi believes 1. Mahindra believes it is 3. Okay. Nagaraj 2. Anyone else? So we got all the possible answers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simran believes it is D, which is the right answer. So Ganesh was right, Tahir was right, Simran was right. Answer is option number D, which is 4. So basically, how will it work? Just try to think of it. Can I say with 15 teeth, the smaller gear will complete one full round. With 15 teeth, after moving 15 times with the movement of 15 teeth, this gear will come to the same position once again. It will come to the same position once again after 30. After 3 rotations, it will move 45 teeth. After 4 rotations, it will move 60 teeth. What about the second one? In one rotation, it will move 20 teeth. So after movement of 20 teeth, this teeth will be back here, which will again happen after 40, which will again happen after 60. Which means after 60 movement of teeth, both the teeth will come back to the same position. So basically, once 60 teeth will move, this marked teeth of the smaller gear will be here after completing 4 rounds, wherein marked teeth of the bigger gear will be here after completing 3 rounds. Mahendra, Nagaraj, Sakshi said it's okay. Is it clear, guys? Aniket, Shyansh. So basically, I will just look at how many teeth will move. Okay, how many teeth will move to make one complete rotation? Yeah, one full round. In one full round, the smaller gear will move 15 teeth, when the bigger gear will move 20 teeth. And the concept of gears is one teeth will move along with one teeth. So it cannot happen that for the smaller there are more teeth are moving, for the larger less teeth are moving, or vice versa. One teeth per gear. That's the law of here. Yes, guys, is it clear with everyone? Any doubt here? Or should we move to the next question? Okay, a very simple one. Which of these is not a prime number? Fast. In case you face some issue, just let me know. I will go back to the previous question. Which of the following is not a prime number? D. Jobin believes it is D. Kanesh believes it is D. Tahir also believes D. Aniket says B. Aniket, can you cross check once again? Sakshi believes it is D. Aniket, just cross check once, yeah. Your answer looks wrong to me. Okay, simple calculation यार, कुछ नहीं करना है. So basically, what is 2 square minus 2 plus 1? Just calculate this. बाकी calculate भी नहीं करना है. So this is 4 minus 2 plus 1, which is 3. Yes, it's a prime number. If it's a prime number, it's not my answer. Question is, which of the following is not a prime number? No, Nilesh, answer is D, option D. Now look at the second option. What is my second option? My second option is 2 cube minus 2 square plus 2 minus 1. Can I say 2 cube minus my first option? 2 cube minus my first option, isn't it? So 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 3, because it is my first option, 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes, it is also a prime number. Next is 16 minus second option. 16 minus 5 is 11, prime number, not my answer. Okay, so if A, B, C are not my answer, D has to be my answer. Even if I want to calculate it, it is 32 minus previous option. So 32 minus 11 is 21, which is not a prime number. Yes, guys? So basically I just need to calculate 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Then it's just the next power minus 1. Next power of 2 minus 1. All the options were there. Okay, so Nagaraj, prime number are those numbers which have exactly two factors, which are like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So all numbers which are not divisible by 1, not divisible by any number other than 1 and the number itself. And 1 and the number itself both should be distinct. So 1 is not a prime number other than 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, which are not divisible by any number other than 1 and the number itself. All of them are primes. Yeah, prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself and not any other number. Okay, my answer is D, because 21 is divisible by 21 is nothing but 7 into 3, so it's not a prime number. Okay, now next one is length and width of a rectangle are both doubled. When a new rectangle is compared with the original rectangle, what will happen to the area and what will happen to the perimeter? Option 1 says both area and perimeter will be doubled. Option B says area will be 4 times, perimeter will be doubled. Option C says area will be double, perimeter 4 times, or yeah, Jovin, one is neither prime nor composite. Nilesh feels answer is B. So Nagaraj, any number which is not prime is a composite except for 1. Tahir says it is B. Nilesh says it is B. What about others? Guys, this is a simple one. If length and width of a rectangle both doubled, what will happen to the area and what will happen to the perimeter? No, Rohan, perimeter will not become 4 times, na? Area will become 4 times when the perimeter will be doubled. Yeah, that's the right answer. Okay, so what is the area? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth, which is LB. Now, if both length and breadth are doubled, what will happen? What is 12 into 2B? 12 into 2B will be 4 times LB, which means area will become 4 times. And what will happen? Okay, and what is the new perimeter? New perimeter is 2L plus 2B. So if I take a common of 2, it is L plus B, which is original perimeter. Okay, sorry. Okay, the original perimeter was twice of L plus B. What is the new perimeter? Twice of 2L plus 2B, which is 4 times L plus B. So perimeter will increase from twice of L plus B to 4 times L plus B, when the area will increase from LB to 4 times LB. Yeah. So area will become 4 times, but perimeter will be doubled. That is my option number B. No, Jobin. Okay, if I look at the previous 2 years CMAT paper, the standard of these questions is very much similar to CMAT. Okay, you can expect very similar to these questions in CMAT. These are as per the last 2 years paper. Okay, standard is very similar to those papers. It's not very easy. Okay, so in case you like the session, go ahead and like it, comment in case you have any queries, any issues. You can share it with your friends. For all the YouTube watchers, please go and subscribe for the session. Okay, next one is a fruit vendor makes display of his peaches in a pyramid shape, just like what is shown to you in the picture. Now pyramid has a square base. She manages to display 6 layers high. So for example, it is 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, 4. He is able to put in 6 layers. Number of peaches she needs to display is. There for CET you can expect slightly easier questions. Okay, Simran, our IT team will get back to you on this. Okay, try this question. No, Nagraj. Okay, you need 6 layers. Okay, how can it be 21? You need 6 layers. Okay, so how many peaches you need in the first layer, how many in the second layer, how many in the third layer? Look at that way. Yeah. Yes, Ashish, that's the right answer. 91. Rohan also got the same right answer. So basically, if you look at the top layer, okay, let's start from the top layer. How many peaches would be there? There will be only 1 peach. Okay, in the second layer, how many peaches would be there? You need to have 4 peaches there, which is nothing but 2 square. In the third layer, how many peaches you require? You need 3 by 3. You need to have 3 by 3 peaches, which is 9. In the fourth layer, if you look at here, these are 4 by 4, which is 16 peaches. Now it says I need a 6 layers. So in the fifth layer there will be 25, 6th layer there will be 36. If I add all of them, it comes out to be 91, and that is going to be my answer. Yes, it is 6 square plus 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So basically in each and every layer you need a square of those numbers, okay, because it has to be a 6 by 6, it has to be a 5 by 5. In each and every layer there will be, okay, number of peaches in a row and column will decrease by 1. or increase by 1 if you start from the top. Yes, guys? Okay, moving to the next one. Answer is C, which is 91. Okay, next question is, a diagram is shown to you when there is an angle which is given to you, and there are two angles which are given to you, M and N. Now ratio of M and N is given to you. M is 2/3 of N. So basically M is to N is 2:3. What is the value of M? Yeah, what's the answer? Nagaraj believes answer is A. Others? क्या लगता है? Yes, guys. Yeah, we will just discuss this answer. Let's others try it. Yeah, Yogesh, you are right. Answer is 84. No, Chetan. Answer is not 60. So Jubin, the concept is sum of angles of a triangle is 180, nothing else. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180, nothing else. Yeah, that's right answer, Nilesh. D, 84. Oh. No, it is 84. No, not C. It should be D. Okay, so basically assume these two angles should be A and B. Now can I say A plus B is 150? Yeah, Jobin? Okay, so Ashish, you just need a very basic of geometry, yeah. Okay, you don't need high-fi geometry. You just need basic properties of angles, triangles, square, quadrilateral. Basic properties. You need not to know any coordinate geometry whatsoever. For a paper like CMAT or CET, basic geometry, basic properties of triangle and rectangles or all those. Okay. Don't miss on any question just thinking that okay, your geometry is weak, because you don't need high-fi geometry. Okay, so basically if A plus B is 150, now can I say A plus B plus M plus N is 360? Huh, na? And A plus B is nothing but 150. Now why it is 360? Because these are two There are two angles on a straight line. Yes. So basically m plus n is 210. Now I know the ratio of these two. Ratio of these two is 2:3. So basically we have to divide 210 in a ratio 2:3. So 210 into 2 by 5 and 210 into 3 by 5. This is angle M and angle N. This is 84. This is 96. Yes. Ganesh, for cat you need slightly more than that. So Ashish, I don't think doing this answer, okay, even if your geometry was weak, this question was too difficult for you. Okay, so just practice a few questions on trigonometry or on geometry and basic geometry. Geometry of class 8th, class 7th, 8th, not even 9th, 10th, and that should be good enough. Is it clear, guys? Any doubt here? Yes, their answer is D. Okay. Let's look at the next one. My teacher had three boxes of sweet, three big boxes of sweet. One box contained red sweets, one contained green, one contained yellow. Each learner was given 5 sweets in 2 different colors. Each learner in the class have received a different combination of colors. What was the maximum number of learners that could be there in the class? Okay, so Yogesh, these are the standard of questions which are there in CMAT and CET. Okay, in fact, in CET you can expect even easier questions. Okay, now question is, there are 3 boxes containing sweets of 3 colors. Each learner got only 2 color. Okay, sweets of 5 sweets of 2 different colors, and each and every learner got a different combination. What is the maximum number of students who can be there? Is the question clear? Anyone who could not understand the question? Yogesh feels answer is 12. Nilesh feels it is 60. Okay, so Nagaraj, question is, there are 3 types of sweets: red sweet, green sweet and yellow sweet. Okay, and these are to be distributed among different students, okay, different learners, in such a way, okay, that everyone should get 5 sweets and everyone should get a different combination. How many? How many ways it is possible? No, Nilesh, answer is not D. Answer is not 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. These are the similar sweets. Yogesh, your answer was right, man. Answer is 12 only. No, Nagraj, answer is 12. That is option number A. Yeah, Ashish, answer is 12. Okay, so before discussing this question, let me ask you a different question. If I've got 5 eclairs, and I have to give certain number of eclairs to, say, Ashish, in how many ways I can do it? How many options I have with respect to those 5 eclairs if I have to give certain number of these eclairs to Ashish? Yes, I've got 5 eclairs. With respect to those 5 eclairs, how many eclairs I can give to Ashish? Yeah, how many options I have? If you feel answer is 5, you are wrong. Answer is 6. Answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Not so, even 0 is a possibility. So, okay. So I can have 6 possibilities, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. So even 0 is a possibility. नहीं देने का यार, मैं खुद खाऊंगा, क्यों दूंगा? Chetan, it's not 5 factorial. It's very simple. All the eclairs are same. Okay, so whether I give the first eclair or whether I give the second eclair, it's the same eclairs. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, so when I say I got 5 eclairs, how many I give? It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Now when I say 1, there is only one way of giving one eclair, that is I will give one eclair. It does not make a difference whether I give a 0, so whether I give the first one or whether I give the second one, because both of them are same. Nahi de raha Ashish. So 0 is a possibility. I am saying with respect to those 5 eclairs, I have got 6 options for you. But I can decide not to give. Okay, even not to give is an option. I never said that I need to give at least one. I've got 5 eclairs. Okay, just take it. Just take it. Just try to understand the concept. Okay, don't get into the words. Okay. So with respect to those 5 eclairs, I've got 6 options. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I can decide not to give. Okay, don't get into those words. Okay. So basically, when I say one eclairs, it does not make a difference whether I'm giving the first one or whether I'm giving the second one. Okay. Now when I say there are 3 sweets, red, green and yellow. Okay, so which red sweet doesn't come into picture? Okay, whether I give the first, whether I give the second, all of them are same. Okay, so now if everyone received 2 combination, two colors of sweet, it is either red green or red yellow or green yellow. Yes. Now how many options I have with respect to those red green? With red green I can give either 1 4 or 2 3 or 3 2 or 4 1. Yes, there are only 4 options with respect to red green. I will have similar 4 options with red yellow and similar 4 options with green yellow as well. So can I say 4 plus 4 plus 4 makes it 12 options for distributing these toffees? Na. So with red, green, I can have 12 options with distributing this topic. Yes or no? So when I say I'm giving 1 and 4, which one doesn't come into picture? That's what I wanted to tell you. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? That's the only way to solve it. Okay, that's the easiest way to solve it. Not the only way, but the easiest way to solve it. Okay. Okay, now next question is, okay, in a diagram, okay, so there is a rectangle where there is a sloping line. This sloping line divides this triangle in a ratio of 1:4. Ratio of the areas of these two portions is 1:4. This is A, this is B. This length is A, this length is B. You have to find the ratio of A and B. Okay, so question is, in a diagram, the sloping line divides the area of the rectangle in a ratio of 1:2. So the complete area is divided in a ratio of 1:4, and I have to find the ratio of A and B. This is a diagram for you. Okay, there 0 and 5 was not an option in this case, because if it was 0 and 5, then it will remain only one color. So in that question it says you have to give two colors. Okay, you cannot have one color. That's why 0 and 5 were not the option. 0, 5 or 5, 0 were not an option, because otherwise I will not be able to have two colors. Okay, what's the answer here? Option C. Madhur believes answer is C. Aniket believes answer is D. 1:3. Good evening, Himanshu. We are slightly late for the session. We are just about to close it now. Yeah, Nilesh. What's the answer? Nilesh, Sakshi, Manoj. Pandeyji believes answer is D. 1:3. राठौर साहब को भी ये लगता है आंसर इज डी 1:3. ओके, कैसे करेंगे? The only solution to your question, Himanshu, is practice. There is no shortcut to practice. Okay, the easiest way to do it is, let's assume the sides, na? Why not? Let's assume this is 10, this is 10. So area of this complete rectangle is 100. Now if I divide 100 in a ratio 1:4, I get 20 and 80. So this is 80, this is 20. Now if this length is 10, what's the area of this triangle? Okay, area of the triangle is 20. 20 is how much? 20 is half into base into height. So this is 4 and this is 6. 4:6 is 2:3. That's option number C. Yes? Na? Simply assume the numbers. Okay, simply assume dimensions, whatever you want to. I have simply assumed the session, okay, length and breadth as 10, 10. I got the area, so I divided area into two parts, which are there, and then we have the base and height, everything. So when it comes to Quant, Atul, both of them will be almost same. So guys, is it clear? Any doubt here in this question? Any doubt here? Clear, guys? Okay, so that's all from my side today evening. If you like the session, go ahead and click the like button, comment on it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Gradeup channel. There are a lot of videos which are there which will help you in preparing for CMAT, CET and other competitive exams. Okay, if you want to subscribe to Gradeup, please call our counselors at 96500 and our counselors will support you in all the possible ways. Will guide you which program is suited for you, which is the best suited program for you. Right now it's the lowest possible price, lowest price ever which is there. There is a 18-month subscription which is there. There is a batch which is already there. So there we had okay, in last session there were two sessions which we had on CET as well. In fact, we had three sessions on CET Quant. Prior to this, there were three sessions which we did on the CET Quant as well. Okay, so right now we are doing. So probably next session or next two sessions will be on CET only. So next session will be Saturday, Sunday. So these are sessions which are happening on Saturday, Sunday, 5 to 6 p.m. Which you can join. Okay, we are also starting a batch for CET, focusing on CET and CMAT in Gradeup. So just speak to our counselors, they will guide you which program is there, how to enroll for that program. We have started a program. Okay, there is a subscription if you want to subscribe to Gradeup Super. There is subscription for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, which will give you access to the all structured classes, syllabus, faculties, doubt sessions, mock papers, everything which is there. So our faculties do write papers on annual basis. All of us score 99.9 plus in our respective sections. So Pranav sir is there, Jatin sir, Vikas sir. So all of us score 99.9 percentile in our respective section. I am also there. I have scored 100 percentile in CAT number of times. So these are our faculties. Okay, so keep practicing, keep attending these sessions. In case any issues, you can always write to us. Okay, thank you for joining Gradeup. Best of luck for the examination. Thank you.